talking, speaking Bengali, say Bangladeshi. What is this? How do you insult the Bengal people like this? Bengal is a province, Bengal is a state within India. You have to read the history, study the history. Before independence, Bangladesh, India and Pakistan was together. After independence, Bangladesh is a different country, Pakistan is a different country, and India is our country. Now Punjab have the, what we, both countries suffered because of this. Our border is Bangladesh, but Tripura border is also Bangladesh, Assam border is also Bangladesh, northeastern border is Rohingya. They pass through this. Nepal border is Bihar, UP, few, Bengal also. Punjab border is Pakistan. So it is your duty. कितना रोहिंगा को मिला आपको? एक भी मिला? बोलते झूठ, करते लूट. Only misleading narrative. They have enough money. No money for the common people. No money for the education. No money for the health sector. No money for the social sector. No money for the women development. No money for the fertilizer subsidy. No money left out for the farmers. No money left out for the youth generation, young generation. Only the money is for social network, so-called. Now media became second, and their social media, through social media, the narrative, the negative publicity is going on always. Sometimes they are showing Jharkhand's picture in the name of Bengal, Bangladesh picture in the name of Bengal, UP picture in the name of Bengal. That is totally fake and fake. So in the name of SIR, the bogus thing is going on. We complained 25. He asked me yesterday, your party came to tell us that duplicate should be ousted. I said yes. Why? The cause I told you, it is not for that. Because 25, what you drafted the list, it was finalized. We have seen one Bengal voters, in the name of one Bengal voters, 25 Haryana voters name is there. We said that point, that then our voter will not be allowed to vote. One Bengal voters, along with them, there are 30 Ghaziabad voters, Noida voters. That list we told them that clear it. But we never said that Bengal का वोट को आप निकाल दो. जो जेन्युइन वोटर है उसको वोट देने का हक है. Now you are from Assam, they are issuing the notice to Rajbangshi people in Bengal, Kuch Bihar, Jalpaiguri, Alipurduar, Uttar Dinajpur, Dakhin Dinajpur, the Mutua people, they have taken vote from them, and now they betrayed. Minorities, you have to appreciate. Bengal minority is highest in population. It is not now, since independence. That was a history. 33%. So can you tell us that 33%'s name should be deleted and they cannot take part in our social work? They cannot take part for the society? They cannot get the ration card? They cannot get their opportunity? We do everything for every kid, every caste, every kid, every religion. We celebrate Durga Puja. We celebrate Ganga Sagar. We celebrate even Chhath Puja. 2 days we give leave. And I personally, I go for fast for Chhath Puja and I go to the Ganga, in river Ganga, in front of, for Surya Puja. Every time, Eid, yes, Eid parade I go, Ramjan I go, Christian festival. Bengal, you do not know how they celebrate the Christian festival. Even scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, they have their own festival. Rajbangshi, they have their own festival. Motua, they have their own festival. Adivasi, they have their Birsa Munda. They have their Sidhu Kanu Dohor. They have their Raghunath Murmu. Scheduled caste, they have their Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We are proud to say that Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he was the chairman of the Constitutional Drafting Committee. Do you know he was elected from where first? It is Provincial Assembly of Bengal. It's a history. Please remember. And when there was a midnight program, Freedom at Midnight, where was Gandhiji? He was in Beleghata to control the situation. So Gandhiji, Netaji, Rabindranath Tagore, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, we respect Lal Bal Pal, we respect Rajendra Prasad, we respect Bhagat Singh, we respect Kamagata Maru, we respect Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, we respect all the caste, all the creed, all together. Then why they are raising their fingers only for Bengal? Because Bengal, they cannot fight politically. They cannot fight democratically. That's why only Bengal is targeted. It is our objection.
এবিপি আনন্দ এগিয়ে থাকে এগিয়ে রাখে।